Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the Calendar app on your device or visiting Icloud. And signing in with your Apple ID. Once signed in, make sure the calendar you want to share is visible in the left sidebar. Hidden calendars won't share. Now click the small share icon next to the calendar name to open sharing options. This step initiates permission control so you can manage who sees events and who can edit them, an important decision before sending invites. Once the share panel appears, choose Add Person and type the recipient's Apple ID email or phone number linked to their Apple ID. Make sure to select the correct permission level. View only if you want read access, or view and edit if collaborators need to change events. After you set permissions, tap Send Invite. The system sends a notification to their Apple devices and email. Because permissions are per person, you can mix rights for different collaborators to keep control. Finally, confirm that recipients accept the invite on their Apple ID device so the calendar appears in their app and syncs across devices. Once accepted, you can return to the Share menu to change permissions or stop sharing entirely. This updates immediately. If someone doesn't receive an invite, make sure they're using the correct Apple ID, check iCloud sync settings, and mail spam folders, and ask them to update their device OS. Common fixes for sync or notification delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.